price increase is insensitive, unfortunate, reverse sudden hike, Peter Obi tackles Tinubu. The former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP, Peter Obi, condemned the recent increase in fuel price in a post on his X handle on Saturday morning, calling on the federal government to reverse the sudden petrol price hike. NaijaNews reported earlier that the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPCL) announced a 14.8% hike in the price of petrol, raising it to 1,030 naira per litre from 897 naira. This marks the second petrol price increase within the past month, following a previous rise in September when the price surged from 615 naira to 897 naira per litre. Reacting, Peter Obi described the latest increase as unfortunate and insensitive, considering wide-ranging negative consequences for our economic survival and well-being. He called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who doubles as the Minister of Petroleum, to provide a full explanation, offer alternative options, and reverse the sudden price hike. Obi said Nigerians were informed that the NNPCL is now a limited liability company, regulated by agencies such as NUPRC and NMDPRA. Yet, there seems to be a growing confusion about the roles and responsibilities of the NNPCL and these regulating bodies. With an optimistic spirit, Peter Obi says we hope and pray that he acts in the best interest of the majority of Nigerians who are living under unnecessarily precarious conditions, and that he does so before his return from his working vacation, emphasizing that a new and more compassionate Nigeria is indeed possible. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we bring you more updates on this story.